ASET's state-of-the-art CompEX training centre is a modern and spacious facility following a major refurbishment in 2020. The centre was originally the first of its kind anywhere in the world when it opened in 1994 and continues to provide training for electrical and instrumentation technicians involved in the inspection, maintenance and installation of EX hazardous areas equipment in offshore and onshore working environments. The centre consists of 20 competence validation testing bays used to assess delegates in the preparation, installation and inspection of a range of electrical equipment commonly found in potentially hazardous areas in onshore and offshore working environments. EX 01204. 4 competence validation testing bays used to assess candidates in the preparation, installation and inspection of electrical equipment in potentially hazardous combustible dust areas, both in the onshore and offshore working environments. EX 0506. 6 assessment bays used for inspection and maintenance of flame-proof explosion-protected motors. 3 CompEX mechanical assessment pump and motor skids used for inspection and fault finding. And a CompEX mechanical pipe rig trainer used for making up flanges and pressure testing. For the full range of courses we provide, visit our website aset.co.uk.